This is exercise 7a and we are working with question number 5 now. What question number 5 says, given that x ratio y is 3 ratio 4 and y ratio z is 5 ratio 8, and we have to calculate the value of what value we have to calculate from here. Actually, we have to calculate the value of this fraction. What this fraction is, this is 2y divided by 3x minus y plus 2z. So for this fraction, either your whole question must be in x or in y or in z. So what we are going to do for it is, as x ratio y is given 3 ratio 4, we will calculate x and z's value. So for the beginning of the question, आप ये ज़हन में रख लें. Then moreover, with the question you will be clear why we are calculating the value of x and z from here. So x by y will be 3 by 4 and x value will be 3 by 4 y. So this is the x value. Now I'm going to calculate z's value, and I will not calculate y's value. This is the easiest way which I am going to follow. Y over z becomes 5 ratio 8. Sorry, 5 by 8. You are writing ratios into fraction form, as we've done many of the questions with the same procedure. I did not explain it too much, so it's obvious you will divide it by the second ratio. So it becomes 8y is equal to 5z, and z comes from here. Z will be equal to 8 by 5 with algebraic rules, or we got this z value this one and x value this one. This was the first part of the question. This is the first procedure we have to do. This is the second procedure, and right now we are working with the third procedure of the question. हमने यहाँ से we calculated value of x and z from here, and why we are calculating it would be very much clear from the statement. Now we will use all these values, the value of x and value of z, in this fraction जिसकी हमें we have to calculate the value. So we'll write 2y as it is. In place of x we will use 3 by 4y. In place of y as it is. In place of z you will calculate, so you will place 8 by 5y. So your whole question, as you see it apparently, your whole question is coming in term of y. So from here it becomes 9 by 4 y minus y plus 16 by 5y. So your whole question is coming in y. Then further, for the further solution, what I am going to do, I'm just drawing a line here so that you can see the whole question at once. आपने इनका denominator में जो number है, you will take the LCM of those number. It comes 20 and it becomes, in the denominator, this is 45y minus 20y and plus 80. And in the numerator this is the same one. So 80 plus from here you'll be writing it 2y divided by 80. This you can use your calculator or you can do it manually. I'll be writing this like over here. It becomes 2 by, it is, the space is too much congested, so I'll be writing it here. You'll take the LCM of 5 and 4 and you come up with 20 here. 4 5 times 20, make the denominator same in the denominator, and we are working with this part of the question. 45 minus 45y minus 20y and plus 64y, and moreover when you do the solution it comes 2y by 89y by 20. This y is reduced with this one, and finally you come up with this 20 will be multiplied with this one in the numerator, and your answer comes 40 divided by 89. So this is the final answer for this fraction. I'm going to revise this question. What this question says, this is given x ratio y is 3 ratio 4, y ratio z is 5 ratio 8. So you can write it x by y and you can write it 3 by 4, and from here x will be equal to 3 by 4y, एंड यहाँ से आपने निकालनी है z की वैल्यू, x और z की वैल्यू आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है, x और z की, x और y की नहीं, x और z की. इट विल मेक योर क्वेश्चन ईजी. x और z की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट की और फिर आपने इसी क्वेश्चन में प्लेस कर दी, x की जगह पे x की वैल्यू और y की जगह z की जगह पे ये वाली वैल्यू. उसके बाद आपने इस वाली फ्रैक्शंस को सॉल्व कर लेना है. इफ़ यू डू इट सेपरेटली एज वेल, सो दिस कम्स लाइक इट वुड बी, अगर आप इसको सेपरेटली भी सॉल्व कर रहे हो 9/4y, तो आप इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद भी डिनोमिनेटर में प्लेस कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू डू इट इन द रफ वर्क, तो आप इसको रफ वर्क में करके फिर उसके बाद आप इसको डिनोमिनेटर में प्लेस कर दो. ये है y और प्लस 16/5y. अब आपने क्या मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम अलजेब्रा की तरह से सॉल्व कर लेना है. कम्स 45y, 4 5 टाइम्स 20 और 5 को आपने 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. इसी तरह से इसके नीचे 1 है तो 20 से न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. बाई 4 टाइम्स तो न्यूमिनेटर को 4 से और डिनोमिनेटर को भी, न्यूमिनेटर को भी 4 से और डिनोमिनेटर को भी. तो यहाँ से आपके पास 45y माइनस 20y और प्लस 64y आ गया. और फिर आपने इसको जब सॉल्व किया तो ये अब आपके पास बन गया 89y/20. तो आप इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद भी अपने क्वेश्चन में प्लेस कर सकते हो विद द स्टारिक साइन कि आप इसका साइड पे सॉल्यूशन करके फिर इसको कर लो. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 of exercise 2A. Thank you very much, and do subscribe the channel as well.